This was the strat. Getting back here.
After 3 hectic days of travel, we needed a chill night, so join us for a little cruise around Amsterdam.
These are the shots that I think are so clever, and then I go to edit and I'm like, yep, I'm a moron. I guess in some ways it would have been smarter to stay down here, but... Can you remember Jesus loves me? What's up? So, any regrets not doing the audio, just hanging out here in the back of the boat?
That's fine.